It's the beautiful day here today in Bali. It's about 5 p.m. I'm just at the front of the beach walk in Kuta, and I'm gonna head into main Kuta beach gate and Kuta square. Let's see how's the situation today. Today's video will be typical update from Kuta because I got so many requests, so many of you missing this place. So here we go, guys. Meanwhile, the situation next to the beach walks looks like this one. It's getting busier and busier. I'm gonna head into direction of Kuta beach gate, main entrance. So usually I used to coming from Kuta Square, coming to beach walk. Today I'm gonna do the opposite way because the sun is just behind me. So it's definitely much better for the image quality. Look at this guy, corn guy with the Indonesian flag. Because also interesting fact, the Independence Day of Indonesia is next week. Starbucks and the other restaurants in the beach walk. I used to vlog in the beach walk mall itself about 2 weeks ago. You can highly recommend it to watch this video if you are interested and you missed somehow. This is the outside the beach walk. I think this is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 2 over here, actually, just next to this warung. Actually not. I messed up, or maybe no, actually yes. Yeah, this is Poppies 2, Jalan Poppies 2, as you can see. So the warungs are open. Most of the shops here actually with the t-shirts and stuff like this. I get a little bit misleading because this building over here is gone for some reason. So on the other side of the street, of course, so many motorbikes. There are some tourists walking around time to time, passing by. Hello?
This is Damien.
I think so, yeah. How you
Damien.
doing? Yes,
You
that's
put
me.
me on there.
Yeah.
How are you, Damien?
I'm okay. How are
I've been
you?
watching you for 2 years.
So happy to hear
From
that.
Poland. We're great.
Yeah. Where are you from, my friend?
I come from Canada. I'm
Canada.
Arnie Lucas from Canada. Arnie Lucas, Royal Canada. He's the best guy.
Thank you
He
so
is the
much.
best guy.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Damien, you take
Okay.
care, buddy.
First 2 minutes of vlogging, I already met fans from Canada. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate for saying hi. Meanwhile, overall situation looks like this. Some people passing by time to time. This restaurant belongs to the one of the hotels. Looks like this on beautiful blue sky right now. And loud music. I really like this song of Bruno Mars, I wanna be a billionaire. However, YouTube, I think YouTube will not be so happy when I gonna vlog and this music gonna be in the background. Meanwhile, some people walking, passing by, and the weather this morning was actually very cloudy and was even rainy a little bit, but now seems like beautiful weather. The tourist information, and this is the area where used to be for ages McDonald's, famous McDonald's in Kuta Beach. However, it's gone. I think most of you guys who are thinking about the Kuta know that, watched my previous videos. Now it's the 2 mini marts around and also heading into direction of Poppies Lane 1, because over here was the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1, just next to the Kuta Bags over here. Also you can find so many taxi drivers, local boys trying to offer you transport, and Kuta Bags itself. Overall general situation in Kuta today, transport service and the Kuta Bags. Everything is open. It's maybe not super busy, however it's also not that super quiet. Next, there is the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel managed by Accor is open, and overall situation outside is like this one. There are some actually people I think staying over here. I'm not sure actually what they are looking for. There's the wine shop, also massage, transport, Starbucks. Everything is over here actually. Well, generally if you come to Kuta, everything is in the walking. Oh, I nearly fall down. You have to be careful how you step, on what you step. This is the Mercure Hotel at the front as well. It's open. It always used to be, if you see big flag at the front in the lobby section. What I wanted to say, well, I don't know, forgot. There is the construction of something. I'm not sure if it belongs to the same project about the promenade, or that's gonna be just the parking area. Whatever it's gonna be, there is some project ongoing, and this is like over here is the Hard Rock Hotel. I remember, I wanted to say, as everything is in the walking distance in Kuta, so for some reasons the area over here and the location and all of them what is here is in very strategic location. However, for some reasons the interest of these places is slightly smaller than Canggu or Ubud currently. Hard Rock Cafe. Always so many cars with the registration, cars parked outside with the registration from different cities of Indonesia. I think it's very popular to the Indonesian tourists. However, I've never been actually in the Hard Rock Cafe. I've been in the Hard Rock Hotel, central stage, but in the, in overall, in the shop or in the cafe, no. Well, taxis honking all the time for you, so no shortage of the taxi drivers around. Bluebirds, privates, whatever you're looking for, everything you're gonna find over here. And this is the entrance to the world famous Kuta Beach. And this is the main Kuta Beach gate. I'm saying world famous because, well, obviously this is one of the most characteristic spots in Kuta so far. And overall general situation looks like this one. Is it busy? Is it quiet? I think it's actually kinda quiet, I could say. There's not many local Indonesian tourists around, not so many foreigners, like probably they are chilling on the beach. However, there's also not that much traffic, so if I'm gonna go to Canggu or I'm gonna go to Ubud, it's definitely gonna be quite busy. But here is like just over. Yo, transports options. Always waiting for you. And this is the Grand in a hotel situation. And another so loud music. This is Indonesian disco polo, actually, or Indonesian pop, whatever you call it, but not gamelan. Gamelan is Balinese. This one is Indonesian tunes. And overall situation over here looks like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna let you to listen Indonesian music. That's the definitely Indonesian disco polo. Nice tunes, right? Let me know in the comment section what do you think. One more time, beautiful weather, nice tunes, I could say. Old Volkswagen truck convert into the bar. This is like a Rip Curl shop or whatever. New Mini Market and Jamie River Kitchen is open, Rock Shop, everything seems open again. And it's actually 5:15, slightly getting busier and busier. I wanted to come on time today to grab the the best shots when it's still bright, not so dark. Also here next to Grand Ina there was like a little ice cream kiosk which is still closed. I wonder why, because in my opinion it's actually a great place, strategic location. However, well, there's not many people walking by, maybe that's why actually, right? And this is the little shot from the beach situation, what's going on around. There are bars open, the sunset gonna be very soon. And the beach situation with the, well, bars by the beach looks like this one. Busy, not busy, it's alright. It's literally 5:15 and it's just simply busier on the streets. Hard to understand why it's like that. Seems like it's only golden hour between 5 and 7, 2 golden hours, and where it's actually busy after that is like, I don't know, the people just came from nowhere. It's just slightly more busier now. Little bit funny, maybe just like a gap only, I'm just laughing now a little bit. I didn't film that accidentally. I didn't switch off properly filming. There was the one boy trying to offer me transport, and he said, "Brother, where are you going? Just better go to Seminyak. You can make a much better video than in Kuta." And I was like, wow.
It's the money. It's the money, it's the money.